Hello everybody, going to do another vintage classic space set by Lego today. This is 6880. Little rover to go out and collect rocks and whatever else. Let's go ahead and start the build. Here's a look at the minifig that comes with this set. One of the classic yellow spacemen. Got his air tanks on his back there. Here's the completed Surface Explorer Lego set number 6880. There are a total of 80 parts in this build. It's a pretty cool little truck, or Explorer I should say. Does roll pretty good. The arms on the front and back do articulate. And the dish also turns. Imagine if he wanted to drive the back arm, he'd sit over here. Looks like he's scooped up a couple little moon rocks. Pretty cool little build. I don't know about you guys, but I do enjoy the old space theme. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like and subscribe. And as always, have a wonderful day.